Moms, I don't know if you've heard this, but 4 people just traveled further than human beings have ever traveled before. And in that groundbreaking moment for humanity, what they did was remarkable. They grieved the loss of a woman, a mother, a wife, a friend, and I think you really need to see this.
We lost a loved one. Her name was Carroll, the spouse of Reed, the mother of Katie and Ellie. And if you want to find this one, you look at Glushko, and it's just to the northwest of that, at the same latitude as Ohm, and it's a bright spot on the moon. And we would like to call it Carroll, and you spell that Carroll.